Hey everybody, this is Dan from Veneer. We're back with part 4 of the plywood lamination process. In this video, we're going to be going over the last steps we take to produce a finished plywood panel. In our previous video, we went over the process we take to laminate our veneer faces to the plywood core. If you haven't seen that video, click here to check it out. Now let's get into it. Once panels have gone through the pressing operation, they make their way to the trimming and sanding work centers. Every panel that is laid up with a veneer face starts oversized. The core and the veneer are made an inch oversized for the purpose of getting a nice clean trim around the panel. Because we are not the end users of the panels, we only take off a ½ inch per side to leave room for a final trim. This leaves the customer some flexibility and some room for error when making the finished cuts. This is especially important when matching sequence panels together where continuous grain is critical. Panels are fed through the double-end tenoner, which is a dedicated machine specialized in cutting plywood panels down to size. After panels have been trimmed up, they make their way over to the sanding work center. At GL, sanding panels is the final step in the plywood manufacturing process. This is a crucial step and one last chance for us to do our quality control. Every inch of the panel is inspected and must pass a strict criteria of standards that our customers have come to expect. Panels are fed into the state-of-the-art 3-head sander, yielding a nice, smooth 180 grit sand on the other side. We get panels as close as we can to a finished product, but it still requires the trained eye of a millworker or fabricator to take it through the final steps of the finishing process. Once the panels have been trimmed and sanded, it's time to get them palletized and ready for whatever journey lies ahead. For shipments that are LTL traveling a long distance, we build what we refer to as bulletproof crates, doing our best to ensure a safe arrival of our handcrafted products. All right, everybody, so those are the 4 steps we go through from raw veneer to producing a finished plywood panel. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.